Welcome to our hotel. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I'm going to inquire about room availability for tonight. Do you have any rooms available?
Yes, sir. We do have a few rooms available. How many people will be staying and for how many nights, sir?
Just me and I'll be staying for one night.
Great. We have a standard room with a king-size bed available. Would you like to have a look at the room before deciding, sir?
That would be fantastic. Thank you.
Here is the room, sir. It includes all standard amenities such as a private bathroom, TV, and complimentary Wi-Fi. What do you think, sir?
It looks perfect. I'll take it.
Wonderful. Let's get in and check in.
Do you have any recommendations for nearby restaurants?
Of course, sir. There's a great seafood restaurant just down the street that highly recommend. I can provide with direction if you like, sir.
That would be great. Thank you.
Thank you for your excellent service. I'm looking forward to my stay here.
You're welcome, sir. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to ask. Enjoy your stay. Thank you, sir.